Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover TikTok messages. First, you need to launch your TikTok app in your mobile device. And after that, on the bottom right corner, there's your profile icon. Select that. And after selecting that, on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Select there again. And in the bottom, you could see the settings and privacy option. Tap on that. And from here, what you have to do is from the account, select the account option just below, just above the privacy. And after this, you need to do is tap on the download your data option. And after you get into this interface, we could see the request data option. Tap on that option and you'll be able to recover the datas, and you'll be able to recover the TikTok messages as well as the other TikTok datas available. And you'll be needing to be patient, and it will take a day or more than one day. And this is it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.